Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm teaching from another new location. We've had Chiang Mai, Thailand, England, the cruise ship, and now we're in Singapore. We're doing Waterloo by ABBA. I'm going to do their famous songs. Starting with this one, the song's in D. Here's a D chord. You can also play it here. That's root position. The song starts with 4 bars of D. I'm going to play some simple octaves in the left hand to keep the rhythm. 4 bars. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then the song starts with my, and 2 hits there on the D chord. My, I Waterloo, Napoleon did surrender. Hold up, what did I just play? Well, it was D, my, up to E, but the D in the left hand stays. At Waterloo. Then we've got A, but with a C sharp in the bass. It steps down, C sharp, B, A in the right hand. At Waterloo, also Napoleon did surrender. Again, my, at Waterloo, Napoleon, A, G, did surrender. That's A over C sharp, G over B, A. Oh yeah. Up to E again. And I have met my destiny. That was again A to G. And then it's D over A in quite a, then to A, similar way. I'll play that again. My, at Waterloo, Napoleon did surrender. Oh yeah. And I have met my A, G, D, A, B minor. Those are the fast moving ones, right? So, oh yeah. And I have met my destiny in quite a similar way. Again, oh yeah. And I have met my destiny in quite a similar way. And that one finishes there on B minor. The history book on the shelf. And he plays it up here. Then he hits an E chord with a G sharp in the bass, which is the third of the chord. And he stays on that, he holds that one. It's always repeating itself. I'm out of tune now, but there we go. I'm going to go back to that B minor. The history book on the shelf is always repeating itself. What are those for? So it's A again, G, D over F sharp, again it's the third in the left hand, and A over E. The history book on the shelf, B minor. E over G sharp, E over G sharp, is always repeating itself. A, G, D, A. Into the chorus. Hopefully you followed along with the verse. Into the chorus. Waterloo. That's D again. I was defeated, you won. We're up to G. Waterloo, A. And some A chords there. Don't worry, I'll do it again slower. D again. Waterloo, I was defeated, you won. To G. Up to A. Waterloo, promise to love me forevermore. We got the on the A chord there, leading you back into D. Waterloo, couldn't escape if I wanted to. G, up to A. Waterloo, knowing my fate is to be with you. D, whoa, whoa, whoa. A, Waterloo, finally facing my Waterloo. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 bars of D there at the end of the chorus. Whoa, 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 Waterloo, finally facing my Waterloo. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. My. back into the verse. It's the same as the first verse, so I won't say all the chords exactly as I did before, because it's exactly the same. My, 2 Ds, up to E. I tried to hold you back, but you were stronger. Oh yeah, and now it seems my only chance is giving up the fight. Let's B minor again. That was a big movement I made there. I should have played it like this. You see, because it's closer to that last one. You could even go up. You always want to make the chords as close together as they can be. We call them inversions, you see, so that you're not moving around like a crazy person. Okay, let's do that oh yeah again. Oh yeah, and now it seems my own, oops, where did I go? A over C sharp. My only chance is giving up the fight, and how could I ever refuse? Same again. E over G sharp. Feel like I win when I lose, and Waterloo, I was defeated if you won the war. Waterloo, promise to love you forevermore. Waterloo, couldn't escape if I wanted to. Waterloo, knowing my fate is to be with you. Whoa, 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 back to A. Waterloo, finally facing my Waterloo. Now this time it changes, you see. Instead of 4 bars of D, finally facing my Waterloo. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. There's just 2 bars there. Then there's a passing chord, which is A over C sharp. You've seen that one before. And it goes straight down to B minor very quickly. Finally facing my Waterloo D. So how could I ever refuse? You see, it's very quick, that passing chord. It's just A to B minor. Finally facing my Waterloo. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Up to E. I feel like I win when I lose. Straight into the chorus this time. That's called a bridge. It's a quick bridge. I feel like I win when I lose. Waterloo, couldn't escape if I wanted to. Up to A. Waterloo, back to D. Now my fate is to be with you. Whoa, 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 Waterloo, finally facing my Waterloo. Waterloo, knowing my fate is to be with you. This is the outro now. Just going back to A and back to D. The only other thing is that there is also some other bass movements that he does. I remember at one point he goes, when he goes into the chorus. It might even be there at the bridge. I feel like I win when I lose. Waterloo. It might be sooner than that. I feel like I win when I lose. I think it was, I feel like I win when I lose. Waterloo. Because I'm sure it goes straight in there from the bridge, you see? Feel like I win when I lose. Waterloo. I couldn't escape if I wanted to. Waterloo. Anyway, that's basically the whole song. Verse, chorus. Verse, chorus. A short bridge. How could I ever refuse? I feel like I win when I lose. Bum, 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 bum. Straight back into the chorus for the last time, and it's going round and round. And it's an outro, I guess, more than a chorus. It just sort of fades out like a lot of songs do. Alright, that's Waterloo. I'm not sure what the next one will be. The next one will probably be another really famous ABBA song. Maybe, well, yeah, I'm not sure. But I'll look at the list and I'll see you for that one as well. Don't forget to click like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching Between the Keys and goodbye.